They always go somewhere where you can't see them. That's what's so annoying. They go out of sight, you know? And then you move the camera and it's all wiggly. I'm just learning how to use this.
It'll take up like that also. So.
Yeah, oh good. I'm getting, oh, can I just get in here? Oh, I'm going to get way over here now. I just want to get this guy here. My camera's all wiggly. It's all wiggly though. You got to keep your hand steady, eh?
No, that wouldn't mean much.
I'm going to stick it up on the internet. Emergency beeper going off in there.
That's what they were saying.
Emergency beeper going off in there.
It's probably why they did it.
Yeah,
Them people there said they were on the way to Bubba's Lake. So back here.
Just silly little shed here.